First, our device doesn't have a SIM card inserted, so we'll use Wi-Fi to connect. Turn on the power and power on the device. After it boots up, an A will appear on the Wi-Fi icon. Once the A appears in the lower right corner of the Wi-Fi area, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi, refresh it, and find MDVR8004. The password is 8 nines. Once connected, turn off the data plan. Then go to the webpage and enter this IP address. The password is ADM_123. After entering, click Settings and find the second setting. This is where you'll find the device number, which is the device number you'll report to the platform. I'm currently reporting 80,040, then exit and click Net Setup. Under Wi-Fi, select Client in the first option. Below that is the Wi-Fi name and password. Select WP82S PK for encryption mode. Check the boxes and then save. Click the first setting, which contains the platform's IP address and port number. Click Save. After saving, turn off your phone's Wi-Fi and wait about a minute. Now Wi-Fi starts to convert, and it shows that it has been connected to Wi-Fi and the platform has been online. Open the CMSV6 platform and you can see that it has been online. Click to view that this is the device just reported.